Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to fix vcruntime140.dll was not found. Reinstalling the program may fix this problem. Let's fix this guys. For getting this error easy to fix it guys, go to Chrome and type Microsoft Visual C++ download. Search on it and click here download Visual C++ redirectable for Visual Studio. If you go in, that will automatically download. Here go to downloads and show in folder. You need to install it. I agree the license term of condition install. Click yes. Set up successfully. Thanks for watching my video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely worked for you. Give me a thumbs up guys.